So what you have to do is you have to click on the settings icon from your home screen and then scroll down a little bit. Here you will see messages right there. Just click on it and then you will have to toggle down iMessage button and then add the details by clicking on send and receive. Here you have to enter your mobile number from which you wanted to send and receive the iMessage. And the good part is that you can use Apple ID for sending and receiving iMessage as well, and it will be a very encrypted way of communicating, so you don't need to worry about the security part. And another thing is iMessage doesn't require your mobile data to use, so if you are connected anywhere in a public network or Wi-Fi, you can still use iMessage without turning on your mobile data. So it's a great hack. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friend this amazing hack, because I'm going to share such videos like this in coming future. Thank you.